Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be solving this problem up here. So we've got two boxes. We've got a 3-pound box, box A, sitting on top of a 5-pound box, box B, that's sitting on a table. And we're asked to determine all the forces acting on box B, this box right here in the middle. So to start out with this analysis, we're going to always start out with a free body diagram. So if I move this box over here, I can draw my free body diagram. So I'm going to have my box B, and I need to determine all the forces acting on this box. So on box B, I'm going to have 3 different forces. So these 3 different forces, I've got a weight. So this box B weighs 5 pounds. I know I'm going to have a normal force. It's going to be pushing up from the table. That's not given in the problem, so we're just going to label that Fn. And then finally, I'm going to have a normal force pushing down to the bottom. And that's going to be the weight that's pushing down from box A. So at the top, I'm going to have a 3-pound force. So I've got these 3 different forces, and now I need to figure out what this unknown force is. So I know the magnitude and direction of 2 of the forces, the 3-pound force and the 5-pound force, but I need to find Fn. And so for this, I'm going to use my equilibrium equations. So for equilibrium, for this particular figure, there's nothing interesting going on in the x direction, all the forces are in the y, so there's only really one equilibrium equation that I'm worried about, and that's sum of forces in the y. So the sum of the forces in the y direction is going to be equal to negative 3 pounds, negative 5 pounds, both of these are pointing down, plus Fn, which is an unknown. And we know that this box is in equilibrium, so we know that the sum of all these forces is going to be equal to 0. So if I add all this up, do some rearranging of this formula, I've got negative 8 plus Fn is equal to 0. And then finally, Fn, my normal force, is going to be equal to 8 pounds. It's going to be the unit. So with this, I know I've got Fn equals 8 pounds. And when I get a positive result like this, it means that the direction I assigned initially is correct. So this is an 8-pound force pushing up like so. And with that, I've got the magnitude and the direction of all the forces acting on this. So that's the end of our problem. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.